I am Miss Sloan, and this is my wonderful Period 3 AP Bio class. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're making a TikTok today about the Calvin cycle. What's another name for it? The dark reaction, that's an old school name, or the light independent reaction. It follows the light dependent reaction because what are two products of the light dependent reaction that we need for this? ATP and reduced NADP. And who's our new ingredient coming in? Carbon dioxide. And it would come in through the open stomata. Perfect. So we start with RUBP, and RUBP has how many carbons in it? 5. And we're going to hook it up with carbon dioxide, who has how many carbons? 1. So what is 5 plus 1? 6. And what enzyme do we use to do that? Rubisco. When we make that C6 compound, is it stable? No. So it breaks in half. So each of those break in half. So if we start with 3 C5s plus 3 C1s, we would have 3 C6, which would break down into 6 C3s. But these are very low energy. So we're going to need to pump them up a little bit with energy. So what are we going to give them? We're going to use some ATP that we made in the light dependent reaction. And we're going to use some reduced NADP on our 6C3. And now, old school name is what? PGAL. New school name is G3P. And how many do we have? 6. And these are halves of glucose. So we could walk away right now with those 6 halves of glucose, and we could make a total of 3 full glucose molecules. But we want to keep our party going. So we're going to skim off how many? 1. So we're going to take 1 G3P away, and we're going to be left with 5. But if we want to keep this going, we need to take these 5 C3 molecules and regenerate some RUBP. So that's going to cost us some ATP. So then we can do this all over again, and we will again skim off of a half of a glucose, and that's how you get that balanced equation. You got this.